dear students. Welcome to online maths class. Before going to the session, be ready with notebook, pen, pencil and eraser. My dears, the last class we learnt about reading time. In that we learnt read and write time in two ways and how to draw hands on the clock face. Likewise, today we are going to see about the two types of clock, that is analog and digital clock. Now we are going to see about analog clock. This clock has hour hand and minute hand. Also, it shows time by the position of the hands. In other words, we can say that an analog clock is a clock with moving hands. Most of offices and classrooms have these clocks on their walls. Next, move on to the digital clock. A digital clock shows the time numerically. It is opposite to an analog clock. Let's see the uses of digital clock. Digital clocks are used in different kinds of devices such as cars, radios, television, microwave ovens, standard ovens, computer and cell phones. My dears, did you all understand what is the analog clock and what is the digital clock? Then we can understand which are all the places the clocks are used also. Children, now move on to the next topic. Express the time in two ways. Children, here we are going to see about how to read the time in two ways. Look at this clock. In this, there will be two hands, that is hour hand and minute hand. The minute hands represent 2 and hour hand represent 4. Therefore, now the time is 4:10, which is mean that 10 minutes over from 4 o'clock. So we can say that 10 minutes past 4. Therefore, the two ways to represent the time is 4:10 or 10 minutes past 4. Likewise, I am going to show the next clock. As I said in the previous sum, here also two hands, that is hour hand and minute hand. In this, minute hand represent 3 and hour hand represent 1. Children, what is the time now? Yes, now the time is 1:15. Here we are going to say the 15 as quarter. Why we are saying quarter, children? Children, I am going to give you an example. Look at this picture. In this, we have a full pizza. In this, I am going to separate a half pizza. Again, I am going to cut this half into two parts. That is quarter. Why we are saying this is a quarter pizza? Because a full pizza has 4 parts. 4 pieces. In this, we are separating into the 4. We will get 2 pieces. That also we are dividing. We will get quarter pizza. Children, just imagine both the pictures. From that 12 to 3 we can say quarter part. Then 12 to 6 half part. So now the time is quarter past 1. That means 15 minutes. Therefore, the two ways to represent the time is 1:15 or quarter past 1. My dears, now I am going to show the next clock. In this, hour hand shows, yes, 4, and minute hand shows 6. Therefore, now the time is 4:30, which is mean that half an hour completed after 4 o'clock. Why here we are saying half an hour completed? Because the pizza example shows from 12 to 6 the part is called half. So that we are saying here also half an hour completed. What is the time now, children? Yes, now the time is 4:30. Therefore, the two ways to represent the time is 4:30 and 4:30. Children, the next clock shows the time 9:45. How many minutes is that to reach 10 o'clock? Yes, 15 minutes. How many minutes? 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes more to reach 10 o'clock. We can say that 15 minutes to 10 o'clock also. Why we are taking this 10 o'clock, my dears? Because the next to 9 o'clock is 10 o'clock. Next to 9 o'clock is 10 o'clock. If you are moving 15 minutes to 9:45, we will reach 10 o'clock. So that only we are saying that 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. In other term, 15 minutes means what we used to say, my dears? Yes, we say quarter. So now the time is 9:45. Therefore, the two ways to represent the time is 9:45 and 9:45 o'clock. My dears, hope you are all understand the concepts clearly. Today's homework is page number 70, activity 2 fully. Today's session is completed. Thank you.